for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you like some tips and tricks on how to achieve a nice, good cut crease, glitter cut crease. You know, I'm just gonna give you a nice like tutorial. I'm just pretty much going to give you an in-depth tutorial on how to achieve a nice cut crease, so pretty much step by step, like every last thing you should know about achieving a cut crease. Because personally, when I first did my cut crease, it was terrible. Like my first cut crease, I'm going to put the picture up right here, my first cut crease wasn't that good at all. It was in fact like one of my worst eyeshadow looks I've ever done. But, you know, you always start somewhere, so I'm gonna start from like transition colors to what type of concealer to use to how to pack on the lid shades and all that. So if you would like to see this video, then just keep on watching. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I am having a giveaway right now currently. I have the video up, you can go ahead and go watch to see what all I'm giving away, as well as see the rules in order to enter. The rules are simple, just head over to that video just to check that out. I'll be sure to leave the link in the description so you can just click on it after you watch this video. And by the way, if you already entered into my giveaway and you're wondering when I'm announcing the winners, I'm gonna give it about a month, so I'll probably announce the winner November 18th. So I'm going to set a reminder that I should be picking the giveaway winner November 18th. So that should give you guys enough time to enter. So again, if you would like to see what I include in the giveaway, just head over to that video. I'll leave the link in the description. So yeah, let's just start out this video, shall we? Oh, and make sure you have your post notifications turned on. So let's just zoom. First of all, let's just zoom in all up close and personal because this is about the eyes. So hello eyebrows, I see you. So this is going to be a talkative video because I want to be personal and as instructive as possible. So cut creases. Personally, in my opinion, to achieve a perfect cut crease, I like using concealer as primer because, I don't know, it's hard to explain because a regular primer, like for example, the Urban Decay Primer Potion, for example, I used to use that all the time and I thought it was like a holy grail primer. I thought it was like a primer that really did the job when it comes to my eyeshadow. But when I discovered that concealer, you can use concealer as primer, when I watched someone's makeup tutorial and they used concealer as primer and I tried it out for myself, I was like, that is a huge difference. Like that's a huge difference, and I started using concealer as primer ever since for every look that I do. It really works. Try it out, definitely. So I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain because we're doing a nice colorful cut crease today because I want to show you like the nice, like how color payoff works and stuff. So we're doing a colorful look. And I know that a lot of people recommend using the P. Louise base, which I personally recommend, but I know you guys see the P. Louise base in everyone's eyeshadow tutorials, so I'm gonna just change it up for the sake of this video and just use my LA Girl because, you know, this is just as good as the P. Louise in my opinion. It's just the P. Louise base is a lot thicker and it's easier to work with. This one's more liquidy. And then I'm going to take my Beauty Bakery blending egg and just blend that all out. As you can see, I primed this eye. I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, so since I primed both of my eyes, I'm going to move on to my crease colors, my transition colors. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen my warm and cozy makeup look where I did my warm brown and yellow like halo eye. And for that makeup look, I used a tip that I learned from other MUAs that if you start off with your darkest color first, your darkest crease color, and then you work your way up to the lightest crease color, that gives you the most flawless blend. And I tried that and it really did. Like if you go over to that post, it really, like, and you look at the blend, like that blend is like almost flawless. Like I really did like how that eye look turned out, so I'm definitely gonna use that technique from now on. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it if you haven't seen it already. So I'm gonna use my Karity 21 matte palette for this look, and I'm going to start off with the shade Phantom in the palette, and I'm just going to pack that on to the crease, to the very like crease part of my crease, like not like my brow bone, but like this part right here. I'm gonna pack that on and then slightly blend it out, not completely, don't smoke it out or anything, but just slightly blend it out because you want to leave room for the second color, you know what I'm saying? Alright, and then I'm going to take the shade Medusa in the palette and I'm going to apply that right on top of the blue and see how that blends out. Gonna come together. I know right now it's looking a little bit crazy, but first of all, like when I am doing my face makeup, I'm gonna clean this stuff up so it's gonna be nice and smooth and seamless looking and clean. but just trust the process. It's gonna get better. It's going to get better. But for the last color, I'm taking the shade Wicked from the palette, and I'm going to apply that just right above the green and just lightly blend that out because I want to make sure things are nice and seamless. I don't want to be too harsh about anything. You just want to like take things slow and work your way up. Alright guys, so now it's time to cut the crease. Like I said, this camera isn't doing me justice. Like, trust me, like, if you follow me on Instagram, wait till I post my picture, you'll see the blend is way better than how it's looking on camera. I don't know why, but like for some reason this camera always like blurs out and makes my shadows look unblended, but trust me, in person it's not that way at all. I'm being so honest right now. Trust me. But let's cut this crease. I'm going to be taking the same concealer that I used to prime, the LA Girl Pro in Porcelain. And I'm just going to start off by taking a little dab. Just like dab your eye right here. I showed you this trick like all the time in my past tutorials, but I'm just showing you it again. Alright, so you just take a little bit on your eye and then you look up, right and left. Sometimes it'll transfer on your shadow, but it's okay. And as you can see, it made a guideline to like where I should be cutting my crease. So that's going to be a perfect guideline to help you cut out your crease. So then you just take your concealer again and you just start filling in between the gaps. And then sometimes I start carving out my crease using the concealer applicator itself, just to give myself like a start. Then I switch off to my Makeup Shack T72 brush and then I just finish out carving out the crease. I like stamping on the shape first, like I stamp, if that makes sense. Like as you can see, I'm like stamping on the concealer, trying to find a good shape to do, which is going to be a circle cut crease. And then if you run out of concealer, I just take some more. Just slap some more on your eyelid. Then I just continue to like smooth things out. So as you can see, I'm just going to smooth everything out, just make sure everything's nice and ready to go for the glitter. So in order to do a glitter cut crease, you need some glue. So I'm going to be taking the NYX glitter glue primer and just smack that all over the cut crease. This is a basic glitter primer and I'm just going to use that for the glitter look today. This is just a disposable lipstick applicator and I'm just going to apply some there all over the applicator. And I'm just going to apply that all over the concealer for my cut crease. Alright, and then since I got all the glue on my eyelid, I'm just going to take the Fluttered by Row glitter. They don't have names on them, so I don't know what name this is. But this is the Fluttered by Row loose glitter. It's like a loose, fine glitter. And it has like black, green, and blue in it. And it's just very pretty. I think it's perfect for this eye look. So I'm just going to take that and apply that all over where I applied the glue. I'm just using the same lipstick applicator that I used. Honestly, like, this is what I used to apply glitter. I used these cheap lipstick applicators. I got 100 of them on Amazon for only like $3, so it's very worth it. And this is what I used to apply my glitter. I don't use any special brush. This is what I use, and it gets the job done. Let me just zoom in for y'all so you can see up close and personal. Guys, look how sparkly. I love it. Alright guys, so since I'm done applying glitter to both eyes, I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup off camera since this video is dedicated to how to cut the crease and stuff. So the face makeup is kind of irrelevant to this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that off camera and I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so here's my face makeup, but we still have to finish off the eyes. So for eyeliner, I want to do some eyeliner, some dramatic eyeliner since this look is dramatic already. Once I start off dramatic, I have to continue going dramatic. Like, I'm That's how dramatic I am. So I'm taking the Milani Eye Tech Extreme Liquid Liner. I'm trying something different today because I'm always using the NYX liner, so let me just try something different. So I'm using this liner. I'm just going to wing out my liner today. Alright, so now that I finished my eyeliner on both eyes, I'm going to go ahead and do my lower lash line. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to go back into the Karity palette, and I'm going to take the shade Phantom again, and I'm just going to run that, like the tightest part of my lower lash line, and just tightly run that underneath, if that makes sense. But you're going to see what I'm doing. I'm terrible at explaining, but you're going to see what I'm doing. Then I'm going to go back into the palette and take the shade Medusa, and I'm just going to apply that right underneath the blue. So the last step for this eyeshadow, I am going to go into the Juvia's Place Festival palette, and I'm going to take the shade Odogwu in the palette, and I'm just going to pop that into my inner corners. So the final step is to apply the lashes, which I'm going to do off camera because it's kind of difficult to apply lashes on camera. But I'm going to go ahead and apply these lashes right here. These are the Crystal Cosmetics Bloodshot lashes. Alright guys, so I have my lashes on. Don't they look so dramatic and pretty? Like, hold on, let me zoom in real quick. Like, guys, look. These are some gorgeous lashes. Honestly, like, I wish I was on their PR list, no lie. No lie. But we gotta move on to lips. So I'm gonna be taking the Colourpop Limbo liquid lipstick. This is just their brown liquid lipstick, and I am going to apply that to my lips. And then right on top of that, I'm going to apply the Smashbox Pink Lady Lip Gloss and just smack that on top of my lips. Okay guys, so that is it with this video. If you liked this video, if you found the tips that I gave you guys helpful on how to achieve a cut crease, then please give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm currently having a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and the rules are very simple, so head over to my previous video that I filmed on the rules and what items that you guys will be winning. Also have your post notifications turned on, and leave a comment down below what you thought of this video. Did you like it? Did you hate it? I don't care. Let me know some suggestions for some future videos I'll make, and I'll be sure to make some videos regarding those suggestions. What else? Also share this video, guys. Like, share this video to whatever platform you have. Anything is appreciated, whether it's your Facebook, your Twitter, anything is appreciated. Like, I appreciate when people share my work because I know that you guys enjoy it and it's gonna reach more people other than the people that always see my stuff, you know what I'm saying? So just please share this video. I'd highly appreciate it. And what else? That is pretty much all I have to say. Again, I don't want to keep nagging at you guys, but enter my giveaway. It's free stuff. You have a high chance of winning out of 1,000 people. So just simply enter that giveaway. It's going to be ending in a month. So right now this is the 21st. It will be ending November 18th. So I'm going to give you guys a nice good month to enter so that you have some time to, you know, watch the video and enter. So, you know, I'm giving you guys a month, so the giveaway ends November 18th, so simply go head over to that video to see what you guys will be winning, and also check out the rules. They're pretty simple. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So again, like, comment, subscribe. That's all I have to say. Have a blessed freaking day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Everyone probably knows this. Hold on, let me go shut my door. My mom's talking and ruining my video. And just go over it again. Make sure it's nice and smooth. so that it don't move. Bars. I look like I got plastic surgery in my lips. What?